everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list just by tapping on this icon, and here we have to find our contact we want to customize and tap on it. Let me pick this one and tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, to be able to edit everything. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is where you will look when you will open the edit option. So let's simply tap on this profile picture or this camera, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right here we've got our album, so let's find the photo and tap on it. And here from this step, as you can see, we can customize the photo, we can change the position of it, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area, this highlighted square, is responsible for it. So we can frame it automatically, we can rotate it, we've got some kind of aspect ratios which we can choose, so the square, original, 5:4, 4:3, etc. So you can really customize how it will look like, and after applying it, after framing it, just tap on Save Copy at the top. As you can see, the photo has been applied, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, of course if you're happy with your choice. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You can see the photo on the contact list also, for example, or during texting with this particular number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.